Have you ever wanted to learn guitar? Come and join me and learn leap frog picking.
Guitar for Kids with David Aldridge.
You are here to learn something new today. So, I want to teach you how to make a greater difference in what you are trying to do. And there are 3 steps today to learning leapfrog picking. So step 1 is learning how to hold a guitar pick. And if you don't have a guitar pick yet, that's absolutely fine. You can just use a coin for now. So the pick goes on the finger and the thumb comes over. Now we don't want to grip too tight like this, and we don't want to have a loose grip so we can drop the pick. So just enough to hold the pick, like so. And the pointy part of the pick is facing away from our hand, like so. Okay, so what I'd like for you to do is to maybe pause this video and then just practice a few times, just getting used to holding the pick. 1/4 of the pick showing. Now what I do with some of my students, just to remind them, I get a little felt tip pen here and I just draw a line like so, just as a little bit of a reminder on whereabouts to hold the pick. And then we know that the finger and the thumb want to be around there. Okay, so that's step 1. So just pause the video and then practice just holding your pick, just getting used to it, like so. And then when you feel ready, come and join me for step 2. Well, I'm going to show you how we place the pick on the strings. So I look forward to seeing you in step 2.
Have you ever struggled to learn guitar? We are here to help you find your fun and power your confidence. Guitar Star in 30 Days is a fun-filled guide to learning guitar for children 6+, packed with challenges, facts, and quizzes to make kids smile. So, get involved, get creative, and remember, you're amazing! Take your Guitar Star in 30 Days challenge today by visiting davidguitarcoach.co.uk. See you in class! Let your light shine! Hooray!
Okay, welcome to step 2, and I hope you've practiced, you paused the video and you practiced holding your pick, and that feels super comfortable now. That's great. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to grab the pick, well, not grab the pick, we're going to hold the pick, like so. And then what I'd like for you to do is, with the remaining fingers, I'd like for you to just wiggle them, like so. And if we can wiggle the fingers, we know that they are relaxed and everything is super relaxed. If we got tension in the fingers, then it's like a claw. And we don't want to claw our way through the strings. I just want to quickly jump in here and tell you who I am. I'm David, and I help boost kids' confidence, 1 note, 1 song, and 1 lesson at a time. I'm here to support. Here at David Aldridge Guitar Schools, we have been blessed to impact over 500,000 children over a 20-year teaching period. And I feel truly blessed and honoured to be part of that. Quickly, I wanted to show you a video of one of my students with excellent control in their picking whilst playing this cool song. Okay, so in step 2, we're going to hold the pick like so, and we're just going to wiggle the remaining fingers. And this helps, or this makes sure that these fingers are totally relaxed and we're not holding tension and we've got like a claw, because we don't want to claw our way through the strings. So just wiggling the fingers like this, everything's nice and relaxed. And then we're going to take the fingertips and then we're going to rest them on the strings like so. You can rest one finger, 2 fingers, or all the fingers, as long as we've got a finger or fingers resting on. And that, you can see, that's like an anchor. It just keeps the hand nice and steady. Okay, here we go. So we take the pick and it goes flat on the string like so, like this. And there's 2 different ways we pluck the strings. We have a down pick, where we push down towards the floor, and then we have an up pick, where we go up towards the sky. Okay, here's what not to do, is to not have the fingers resting on the strings and pull away like this, because it takes a lot of time to get the pick back to the string and it makes everything feel really difficult. When we rest the fingers on the front, we can keep the pick really close to the strings. Now watch out for this, because the fingers will want to lift off as you pick. Okay, so you've got to keep a close eye on that one. Okay, here's not what to do also, is to have the pick at an angle like this and we pluck. Now you can hear that makes a really horrible sound. So we want to make sure that the pick is flat on the string. These are the 2 most common mistakes that I see students make. Okay, so that's step 2. So what I want you to practice now is to just practice bringing the fingers to the strings and holding the pick flat on the string like this. And I promise in step 3, we're going to do the leapfrog picking. So pause the video, practice this. We're just taking tiny steps here, and then come and join me, and then we'll have some fun with leapfrog picking.
Hooray!
If this video is helping you right now, consider subscribing to the channel. You are helping to support future videos just like this one. And isn't it true that we all need a little bit more self-belief in what we are learning and trying to achieve on our path to our dreams? Here's step 3, and I hope you've practiced step 2 and you're feeling comfortable now resting the fingers on the strings and holding the pick. And that's what it's all about today. It's just taking tiny steps in these guitar classes to then make sure that your technique and everything is good, and that will enable you to play any song you want to in the future. I love this. This is leapfrog picking, and all the children I teach absolutely love this. Okay, so again, just follow along with me. So just making sure we're holding the pick between the thumb and the finger, wiggling the fingers like so, taking the fingertips, and then just resting them on the front of the strings. Okay, so the reason I named this leapfrog picking is 1, my pick's green like a frog, and 2, we're going to jump strings, we're going to leap strings, hence leapfrog. I hope you love that. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to pluck down on the 6th string. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move on to string 5, and then I'm going to pick up. So I'm leaping from one string to the other. Now when we practice guitar, or we practice skills on the guitar, we've got to do it many times. That's how we get really good. So let's try this. Just follow along with me. I'm going to go incredibly slow. See, I'm going down, up, up. Brilliant. Okay, you're going to be fantastic at this. You've just done your first leapfrog. Okay. I just want to share this incredible quote from Billie Eilish that I read today, and it really touched me and inspired me to do more. And the quote goes like this: I've always done whatever I want and always been exactly who I am. And that's just really fitting for today's lesson. So go and do what you want to do and be exactly who you want to be. I hope you have fire in the belly after that quote. Leapfrog picking. Okay, we're going to take it a step further. So we're going to go now down on string 6, but then we're going to go up on string 4. So we're leapfrogging over string 5. Okay, let's try it together. Again, just follow along with me. And if you need to pause the video at any point, then please do. And you can always re-watch this. Okay, here we go. Great. I bet you can guess what's going to come next. Correct. We're going to go down on string 6 and then up on string 3. Here we go. And if you need to watch your fingers as well, that's absolutely fine. And I hope you're making sure that you're resting the fingers on the front. Wonderful. Okay, again, we're practicing this many, many times, so we become incredibly good at it. Wonderful. Okay, let's try going down on string 6 and then up on string 5. Here we go. Wonderful. Just play along with me. Brilliant. Okay, we've got one left to do. Where we're going to go down on string 6 and then up on string 1. So what I do here is I move my fingers just onto the front of the guitar like this, so it's clear of this first string here. So we don't mute that string. So here we go. Just follow along with me. So down on 6, up on 1, down on 6, up on 1. So we're leapfrogging all over the other strings. Brilliant, and congratulations. I hope you had incredible fun today learning leapfrog picking with me, David. And remember to do it many times. That's how we get really, really good at it. I'm just going to play a quick song where leapfrogging can be used. Okay, take a look at this. Great, and you'll notice that I'm keeping the pick really close to the strings, and I'm using a combination of down and up. Now in future lessons, we're going to learn some more guitar skills and songs. So I look forward to seeing you there. I just want to let you know, I'm so proud of you for doing the work today. I'm so excited for you. I'm privileged and lucky to be your teacher. If there's anything you need, you can just reach out to us at David Aldridge Guitar School. Be sure to watch Guitar Classes for Children Day 2. And there's some more fun and exciting stuff for you to learn there. So see you in class.